Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? CL plus lean, clean. S plus weep, sweep. Clean sweep. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our show. All right, we're going to get right into this. I am delighted to welcome back two big winners on Classic Concentration. The lady on my right has, to this point, won $26,155 in various prizes. This is Dina Goldstein. And welcome back to you.
Nice to see you again.
Got your lucky photos and...
For Matthew Alexander.
Oh, for my little one?
Yes, we
Aren't
bought
you
him
sweet?
a boo-boo bunny.
A boo-boo bunny. Well, that's great. He'll chew on this a lot. That's what it's for?
No, it's for when you put it in the freezer, it has an ice thing in it, and it gets cold, and if he has a boo-boo, he holds it against his boo-boo.
Oh, isn't that sweet? Thank you. I love it. All right, let's greet your opponent. As I said a moment ago, he, too, is a winner. He's won $8,333 in prizes. Kevin Heine.
All right.
Kevin, welcome back.
How you doing, Al?
Good luck to you today.
Thank you
and
very
to
much.
you, too, Dina. Take a look over here, and we'll show you one of the prizes you're playing for.
This dynamic, contemporary, quality constructed sofa features plump reversible seat cushions and loose back pillows, covered in designer textile fabric, furnished by Flex Steel Industries Incorporated. Alex.
Well, Marjorie's relaxed. We'll show Kevin and Dina where that can be found. The sofa's at number 13. We also have a Caribbean cruise on the board. And now let's get into the play. Who's going to select first today? Who was in the winner's circle yesterday?
I was.
You were. Then Kevin goes first.
Okay, let's go for that cruise. How about number 10?
Green take.
Green take. And the match for the take under number 17, please.
No, we have 200 California lottery tickets there. Dina?
All right, let's see. What's at number 23, please?
Entertainment
Oh,
Center?
I can use one of those. And number 25, please.
Caribbean cruise. Kevin?
Okay, how about a wild card or the cruise under number 2?
China Dinnerware. Another new prize for us.
Number 21 for the match?
No, videotape library. We're not coming up with any prizes we have seen before. Dina?
All right, well, let's open up the top corner. I'll go up to number 1.
Entertainment Center.
And where did we just see that?
That's the big question.
Number 25.
25 is wrong. That's the cruise. Kevin?
Number 23, please.
23 is the
And
entertainment
number 1
center.
for the match.
You are right. Prize going up on Kevin's side. You've noticed, ladies and gentlemen, that each of our contestants has a strike. And that means that whoever loses this game says goodbye to concentration. Kevin, take a look at the puzzle now.
Okay.
Is these two doors open? Go again, Kev.
Okay, number 3, please.
Wild card.
Okay.
I bet you I know where he's going.
Oh, now I can't remember where it was.
Hurry.
Was it number 25?
Yeah. Caribbean cruise.
Great.
The other Caribbean cruise, number 20. 3 doors opening for Kevin. Let's take a look and see what they reveal. Select again.
Number 11, please. Red take. How about a match for that at number 8?
Yes. Oh, boy. There it is, Kev.
Thank you very much.
All righty. Take a look. Select.
How about number 9, please? Videotape library. Was that under number 21?
Yes. He's not faltering at all today, Dina. But don't worry, you'll probably get a chance to get right back into this. 2 doors will swing open for him now. It's still early. Pick again, Kevin.
Number 7, please.
200 California lottery tickets.
And was that under number 17?
Yes. Oh, boy. Kevin has been practicing, I feel. Open these 2 panels for him. Select. Still 2 wild cards up there, as you know, Kevin.
Number 10, please.
Green take.
And, oh, wow. Number 16.
There's a wild card.
All right. I needed that one.
The other green take at number 12. You've got them both, but unfortunately, Dina has no prizes in her column that you can take. So you'll just have to keep cruising along, making matches, revealing the puzzle. Let's see what happens now. There is still one wild card up there.
Number 22, please.
Diamond tennis bracelet.
We haven't seen that one. How about number 19?
Electronic typewriter. When you selected number 22, Dina suddenly sat up and said, maybe I've got a chance, because we haven't seen that prize before. All right, Dina, go to work.
All right, let's see what's under number 18, please.
China dinnerware.
And let's find the match to the China dinnerware under number 5.
No, that's the electronic typewriter. Kevin.
How about number 19, please?
Electronic typewriter.
And was that number 5?
Right. Okay. You just saw it there a moment ago. Everything is going Kevin's way. Will it continue? Remember, he has to solve the puzzle if he is going to win the game and go to the winner's circle. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 18, please.
Well, that's that China dinnerware.
Number 6?
No, that's the leather garment bag. And we have seen the China before. Dina.
All right, let's see what's under number 6, please.
That's the leather garment bag he just showed you.
All right, and number 2 for the match.
No, that's the China dinnerware.
Oh!
That's what I was hoping somebody would remember.
Number 18, please.
China dinnerware.
And number 2, please.
There's the match. That was so very important, and Dina wasn't able to come up with that match, and it may cost her the game. We'll find out. Let's open it up.
Key to the city.
Looks like Key to the City. And Kevin is right. Big win. Come on, Kevin.
Thank you very much.
Well done, indeed.
I was having a hard time with this. See, well, here we go. We have the key here, the tooth plus UH is tooth, the, sit, and then T down here. Key to the city.
Key to the City. Good victory for you. You had it your way all throughout that game. You didn't let up. Dina had one chance. She couldn't come up with that match on the China dinnerware. However, this lovely lady, although she has 2 strikes against her, is not going home empty-handed. You've got a couple of vacations. You've got some cash. You've got prizes over $26,000 in value. Dina, congratulations. You're a good player. Take care. And thank you for the Boo Boo Bunny.
Gotta win that car, Alex.
Gotta win the car, but first, you're gonna hear about the prizes. Gene.
200 California lottery tickets, an electronic typewriter, and China dinnerware. Royal Dalton's fine dinnerware, Melissa pattern, part of the Romance collection, sets delicate borders onto warm ivory bone china. Expressions with color and style, furnished by Royal Dalton and an entertainment center. Bassett brings to you one of the most beautiful entertainment centers designed to conveniently house all your video components for your enjoyment, furnished by Bassett, and a videotape library. MPI's Home Video, The Honeymooners' Lost Episodes, specially restored after discovery in Gleason's personal vault. A cultural treasure furnished by MPI Home Video, and a Caribbean cruise. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll embark on a 6-day Windjammer barefoot cruise, casual sailing adventure in the exotic Caribbean for both old salts and land lovers. Take off your shoes and sail away to paradise, furnished by Windjammer Barefoot Cruises. And Kevin, you have prizes worth, and it's a big number, $6,244.
And of course, he could almost double that by winning a brand new card. He'll get his chance when we come back after this break. Try, and that means you'll have 3/4 of a minute on the clock. So let's get to it. 15 numbered squares for you, Kevin. 45 seconds showing. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
Yes.
10, 3.
Yes.
11, 4.
Yes.
12, 14.
Nope.
8, 12,
Right.
13, 6,
Nope.
15, 6,
Right.
14, 5,
Nope.
2, 14,
Right.
13, 5.
You have won a brand new car. Just like that. I hope you got the one you wanted. Gene, tell them about it.
Kevin, you just won this Hyundai Excel 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter multi-port fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and power front disc brakes. Furnished by Hyundai. A prize worth over $7,300.
Kevin says it didn't matter which car he won. Well, he's winding up with $21,952 in prize winnings on our show. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're a good player.
Thank you very much.
We'll have 2 new contestants to introduce when we come back right after these messages. In the space of about 5 minutes, 2 players leaving us with over $20,000 in winnings. And now we get to welcome these newcomers. The pretty lady on my right is Shannon Devane. Hello,
Hi.
Shannon Devane.
Nice to meet you.
No relation to William Devane.
Can I say that?
Sure you can.
Uh-huh.
You are related to Bill?
Yeah, he's my uncle.
Oh, how about that? I used to play tennis with
I
Bill.
know. I was going to say that to you, actually.
Yeah, I don't play
My-
tennis anymore, but I bet you Bill does. What do you do for a living?
He and my father just opened a restaurant in the Palm Springs area, so I'm working for them.
Well, good for you.
Keeping it in the family.
All right, good luck to you on the program
Thanks a lot.
today against this young man. Handsome fellow is Jeff Culp. Welcome aboard, Jeff.
Hi.
Are you related to Robert Culp?
No, I'm not.
Are you related to William Devane?
No.
No. Well, tell me about yourself then.
Okay, I just moved out here to Southern California, and I have a part-time job at a local amusement park and another part-time job at a restaurant.
A lot of part-time jobs going on here.
I need
Does
a
that mean you're
full-time
an
job.
actor?
No.
No? What do you want to be when you grow up?
I'd like to be in marketing. Marketing
marketing?
researcher.
Good for you. Ready to play?
Sure am.
All right, take a look over here and we will show the 2 of you one of our great prizes for this second game today.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, a stunning ruby and diamond pendant. Crafted in 14-karat gold, this pendant features dazzling diamonds and rich red rubies, furnished by Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
And we will show Shannon and Jeff where they can find that beautiful piece of jewelry on the board. Easy to remember, the pendant is at number 25. Now, because this is the second game of the day, we have the cash pot. There's $500 in that today. We have the 5 bonus car seconds, and the vacation in this one is a holiday in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. All right, a lot of great prizes. Only 1 wild card to assist you, though. Jeff, you go first.
Okay, I've never been to Canada, so I'd love to go there. Let's check behind number 11.
5 bonus car seconds.
Okay, let's match that behind 21.
Green take, no match. Shannon.
Okay, I'd love to go to Canada. Let's go in the middle to number 13.
Red take.
Okay, the match under number 3.
No. Oak mantle clock. Jeff, back to you.
Okay, let's check behind number 5.
Body massager.
Okay, let's match that body massager behind 23.
No diamond pendant. Shannon?
Okay, let's match the diamond pendant, number 23, and the match under number 25.
23 and 25 makes a perfect match. Diamond pendant going up right here and down on the front. 2 doors opening for Shannon. Something looking really ugly in that
Really
lower right-hand
interesting.
corner there. Boy, Shannon, pick
Okay,
again.
let's try up in the corner at number 1.
Reminds me of me, actually. Doll collection.
Doll collection. And a match under number 10.
No, we have a microwave oven. Jeff?
Okay, we're still looking for that trip to Canada behind 16.
Body massager.
I think that was behind number 5.
I think you're right. You are indeed right. Body massager goes up on your side of the board, and down here on the big board, these 2 panels swing open for you. Select again.
Okay, let's check behind number 20.
Cash pot.
Ooh, let's match that behind 17.
Doll collection. No match. Shannon?
Number 1
Right.
and number 17 for the match.
Doll collection. These are lovely collections, by the way. Even if you're not a collector, this could start you. We'll open the 2 doors for Shannon. Pick again.
Okay, number 18.
Calgary, Canada.
Ooh, a wild card or a match under number 7?
Maybe. No, luggage for the trip.
Okay.
Jeff.
Okay, let's find Canada behind 24.
Computer.
Okay, I don't think we've seen what's behind number 2.
Oak mantel clock. Shannon.
Oak mantle clock. Was that under number 3?
I think so.
And the match under number 2.
Side by side makes it a match for the lady. And she has earned another look at the puzzle, and 2 more doors are swinging open. Aha. 2 more arrows visible. Pick again.
Okay, number 15.
5 bonus
bonus
seconds.
And we saw that under number 6.
Microwave. No. Jeff.
Okay, I hope those bonus car seconds are behind number 11.
Yes.
S and 15.
15 works for you. That means if you win the game, you'll have 40 seconds, provided you keep these in your prize column. Open the panels for him. Pick again.
Okay, still looking for Canada behind 22.
Wild card, the only wild card up there.
Now, was it behind 24?
Is it behind 24? No,
I
that's
got
the
a
computer.
That's
Not Calgary, Canada. The other computer at number 8. And so 3 panels are about to open up for Jeff. He's got some good prizes up here. And the 5 bonus seconds riding on his solution of the puzzle. Can he do it now? Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 14.
Luggage.
Okay, was the luggage behind number 7?
Luggage.
All right.
You were right. Swing them open. Select.
Okay, let's see number 9.
Green take.
Okay, was that behind 13?
No, that's the red take. Shannon, here's a break for you.
Number 21.
Green take.
And number 9.
Green take.
I would like...
Remember, the Calgary vacation is still up on the board. He's got the bonus car seconds.
Bonus car seconds, please.
All right. She obviously wants a brand new car, so she's going for the bonus seconds, hoping that she can solve the puzzle and get a trip to the winner's circle. Can she do it?
Is it small fry?
Small fry. And Shannon is right. Shannon has won some good prizes as well. Let's go to the board. Nicely done. Jeff set it up beautifully for you. Here you go. You're going the wrong way.
Okay, we've got the S and the M plus the all is small. The F and the R plus the I, small fry.
That was easy. You were sort of pointing off.
I don't know where I'm
Here, right here. There's the S
Okay,
and M.
the
There's
S
the
and
all.
all.
That's it.
Okay.
You did one of these. You went, it's over there. And you didn't
Right
want to do
with
that.
that cameraman.
That's all right. Not to worry. Jeff, only 1 strike against
Okay.
you, and that means you'll be back to play in the next game, and we'll see you tomorrow on
Okay,
that.
thanks.
Shannon, going to hear about your prizes now. Gene's going to tell you. Go for it.
An oak mantel clock and a doll collection. Bradley's limited edition collection of lovely Victorian ladies styled with porcelain hands, head, and feet adds a decorative touch to any room, furnished by Bradley Collectible Dolls. And, of course, the beautiful diamond pendant and the 5 bonus car seconds. And these prizes total $2,150.
And with 40 seconds on the clock, who knows, you could well win a brand new car when we return. Needs a car real bad, so let's do it. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds is base time on the clock, but you had the 5 bonus seconds, so you're up to 40. Good luck, go to work.
1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 8,
no,
10, 11,
no.
4, 11,
Right,
13, 2,
no,
5, 13,
right,
14, 3,
no,
6, 9,
no,
14, 9,
right,
8, 6,
no,
12, 1,
right,
15, 3,
no,
2, 15,
right.
8.
It's okay, you got 5 of them out there, and for a first time, that's really good. You've got $2,150 in prizes. You will return to our program to play again, and we will return after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts, taste you can sink your teeth into, original ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, plus a Klondike bear furnished by Klondike. We'll be back to classic concentration in just a moment.
I wouldn't go quite as far as Shannon did a moment ago. She was checking out my little boo-boo bunny here, and she says, oh, they make such cute things for kids. It kind of makes you want to have kids. I don't think Marjorie was buying that either right now, but that's okay. We had a good time today, and we hope you did as well, ladies and gentlemen. Please join us again tomorrow morning for more of the same. So long.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.